happy. He's all right. Chilling. I have a small problem with the harness being twisted, but it was safer just to take off than to bring it back down again. But as you can see, he's either very happy or totally petrified. Not quite sure which one it is. He's quite heavy on my lap, I'll tell you that. He's 20 kilos, 22 kilos or something. Mr. Black Dog, how you doing? Madam from Fly Koh Larn. Gonna fly tandem, give us a call. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Fly Koh Larn. And yeah, you can come and do what Black Dog does. Happily fly, you can see he's really comfortable. No problems. Beautiful wind today. I think this boy's gonna have a little drink when we get down. Might buy him a sausage as well. I'll see you on the ground.